Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this 3D keyboard website hero section in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First, take a frame and add a corner radius. Now change the color to gradient. Next, take a rectangle . Add a corner radius and a gradient. Now align it. Now take a pen tool and draw this vector. Remove the stroke and change the color to black. Reduce the opacity . And add a layer blur. Send it to the back. Take another vector, change the color to white. Reduce the opacity and add a layer blur. Now add a text on the top. We have created a keyboard key. You can duplicate it and change the colors. For the longer keys, adjust the width of the frame, rectangle and the vectors. Continue this process to create the remaining keys. Once all the keys are ready, select them and create a frame. Now take a rectangle to make the keyboard base. Change the color and add the corner radius. Now add this vector. and change its color. Select both rectangle and vector and group them. Bring the keyframes onto the base and align it. Select them and create a frame. Now take a rectangle send it behind the keys. And change the color to black to add depth. Duplicate the rectangle and place them behind the function keys. Now the keyboard is complete. Next, take a frame change the color and add the header and title. Scale down the keyboard frame and place it inside the frame. To make buttons, take a text and add auto layout. Press Shift plus A to add the auto layout. Add color and round the corners. Then add the stroke with the gradient. Now add an inner shadow. You can also add the drop shadow if you want to. And that's it. Now we have created a 3D keyboard website design in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UI design tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.